let me show you how we can completely disable or enable Gemini and Google Assistant on OPPO Reno 15. First, we're going to start with the complete turn off of Gemini or Google Assistant. If you want to completely deactivate it from your phone, we're going to open settings first. There we go. Now over here we can scroll down and go to Google. Now once we open Google services, we're going to switch to all services in here. We're going to search for the search assistant and voice option over here. And after that, we're gonna go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go to Google Assistant. And if you actually use Gemini, then you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google and switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. It is necessary to do so. And if you already use Google Assistant by default, then of course you can skip that step. Now, after that, you want to find the general, and in here we can deactivate Google Assistant just like that. Of course, in addition to that, we have a couple of shortcuts that allow you to activate Gemini and Google Assistant. So, for example, if we go to Accessibility and Convenience, and over here we scroll down to the power button, then over here we have the press and hold power button, which usually is set to Digital Assistant. So, of course, this shortcut allows you to press and hold the power button to activate Gemini or Google Assistant. We can switch it to Power Menu instead. And also, if we go to System and Update, we have the System Navigation, and then in here you can find Digital Assistant from Google. This is a gesture that allows you to swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards the phone to activate Gemini or Google Assistant, so we can turn it off as well. And this is how we can completely turn off Gemini or Google Assistant. Now, on the other hand, if you want to re-enable Gemini or Google Assistant, of course, you can turn your shortcuts back on, so we can turn on the swipe gesture. We can go back to Accessibility and then choose power button to turn Digital Assistant back on. And so besides that, you can also go to the Gemini app. So it is actually much easier to re-enable Gemini or Google Assistant because you can go to the Gemini app and turn on a Gemini, go through the welcome screen, and that is pretty much it. Now we can still once again use Gemini on your phone, and if you prefer to use Google Assistant, then we can tap on the Google profile here in the upper right corner, and then we have switched to Google Assistant, so you can switch back to Google Assistant if that's what you want. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.